Standing on Mahee Island in the tranquil waters of Strangford Lough, Mahee Castle is one of Northern Ireland's most secluded medieval ruins. Connected to the mainland by a narrow causeway, the castle occupies a site with a history stretching back to one of Ireland's earliest Christian monasteries. The castle was built during the late 16th century by the Anglican Bishop of Down after the dissolution of the monasteries. Rather than constructing a large military fortress, the bishop established a fortified residence on the site of the former Mahee Abbey, reusing parts of the medieval religious settlement that had stood there for centuries. Although modest in size, Mahee Castle was designed to protect its occupants during a turbulent period in Irish history. Thick stone walls, narrow windows, and its island location offered natural defences, while nearby ruins of the medieval abbey remind visitors that this peaceful site was once an important centre of Christian worship and learning. About 14 kilometres from Mahee Castle lies Mount Stewart, one of Northern Ireland's finest National Trust estates. While Mount Stewart is celebrated for its magnificent 19th century house and world-famous gardens, Mahee Castle reflects a much earlier chapter in County Down's history, linking the region's medieval religious heritage with its later aristocratic estates. Approximately 11 kilometres from Mahee Castle stands Sketrick Castle, another medieval tower house overlooking Strangford Lough. Together, these castles once formed part of the network of strongholds guarding the Lough's shores, while Mahee Castle continues to preserve the unique story of a fortress built upon the foundations of an ancient monastery.